Here I have POCO M2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback mode on this device. So to do this, first let's open settings, then we should go to the additional settings, then go to the accessibility, then in accessibility switch to vision, and then go to the Talkback. So here we can enable use Talkback, tap allow, and after that Talkback tutorial starts, and it's like talking non-stop.
Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn Talkback on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When Talkback is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item. Swipe right now to find the next button.
So as you could hear, like this mode is made primarily for people with blindness or some other vision problems, because it works the way that it spells out loud words like contents on your screen. Like for example, I tap on close button and it spells
double tap to activate.
Like close button, double tap to activate. So as you could hear, when you're in this mode, to perform any action you have to firstly select it, and then to confirm it you have to double tap anywhere on the screen to activate it. So for example, close, confirm. So if you want to disable, you like double tap, stop, double tap, or you can just hold down volume up and volume down for 3 seconds to turn off. So let's try it out. And as you can see, that's how you can also disable Talkback.
Use Talkback on switch.
So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.